How to track your order in Temu.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, I'll show you how you can track your order in Temu in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in Temu.com in the URL box and search. Once you're inside this main homepage of Temu.com, also make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your profile avatar or your username. Now from the pop-up, select Your Orders. After you are inside the Your Order tab, you'll be able to see the list of your recent orders. Inside the All Orders, you'll be able to see all of the orders that you've made, from where you can also find the specific processing order, shipped order, delivered or returns option. You'll be able to see your latest shipping status, tracking number, delivery updates, and estimated delivery date. If the tracking number is not available yet, your order may still be processing, so wait 1 to 3 business days for the update. So from here, you'll be able to track your orders in Temu. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.